I'm Bob Beck.
And I'm Alex Rogeo.
Speed Scene Live with Matt Haley, Vice President of Marketing for Magnuson Superchargers. Matt, what are we going to see tonight?
Well, thanks for coming, guys. We're going to take a tour of the facility. We're going to talk a little bit about late model performance and why superchargers are so popular these days on late model Camaros, Challengers, and Mustangs.
And of course,
and
Magnums.
Can't forget the Magnum.
So we're here at Magnuson, and we're at the beginning of the production process. So this is where all of the raw parts come in, all the unfinished castings, all the parts that we build for our kits. And what I'll show you next is our QC department, where we test everything that comes in the door.
So Matt, tell us a little bit about what goes on here in quality control.
We're at the next step of the process, and this is where we test all the incoming parts and all of our finished castings. So we check for tolerances, we pressure test intercooler systems. We care a great deal about quality here, and we follow OEM quality processes. I mean, obviously a supercharger is an expensive and complicated piece, and people want, reliability. We have customers with 100 and some 200,000 miles on their superchargers. I mean, this is where we really ensure that all the tolerances of our incoming parts are right. And like I said, we test, so we even spot check bolts that come in the building through here.
Okay, so what is this in here, Matt?
What we're looking at here is our CMM machine. So we have the capability to measure down to the micron tolerances. So this is where we check exact tolerances of finished and unfinished parts.
It starts building layers like a printer. And it actually prints this, correct?
That's right. Yep.
Oh! Just kidding.
Hi, this is the skunk works of Magnuson Supercharger. We can't go in there.
We'd like to, but we don't know what's going on.
They have some special vehicles in there that we can't see, and if we did, we'd never be able to leave again.